Saying that I was very phobic, but my experience with Connor has really,
Right.
and he's aware of it.
Yeah, he's tuned into it.
Yeah, and because he's aware of it, then that's what I find. He knows if you tell him that you're afraid or you have a fear or that it makes you very stressed, he takes the time, he talks you through it. If you don't want to have the procedure even under local anaesthetic and you want to have a little bit of gas, he'll do that for you.
Yeah.
So he's very open and aware of your issues, and he gives it the time.
What was the problem?
Well, the problem was I was attending another dentist and I knew that I was a bad clencher at night, and I had a lot of vertical fractures
because you were clenching
in my teeth because I was clenching so hard at night, and he had actually given me a splint, but I was still I was actually clenching so often that my fillings were having to be replaced very often, maybe every year, every 2 years, because I was cracking. I was actually wearing down the fillings as well and cracking them. So I came here and I realised then that Connor could give me a more complex kind of a splint that had a more, not a longer life, but it was more intricate. And it was a splint is I literally you know when the boxer goes into the ring and he
like
puts it's an actual gum guard that I put on over my bottom teeth. Do you know that you can't glide across it, or it's very complex, but I didn't realise until I started the procedure how much went into it. But he brings you back to check that as your jaw starts to realign, then he checked it only with me again the other day that I'm still biting properly and that I don't need another adjustment. It's probably a permanent thing now.
But when you think about this place, this practice, what sort of emotions do you have about it? How would you describe it to a friend?
I would say the first thing is very professional. They're very skilled. They're on top of their game. I think from start to finish, they're all the receptionists, the hygienists, the assistants, the dental nurses. They're all very well chosen. They fit, They're very kind. They give you time. Now I know all that's customer service too, and one must do that. But I think the thing here too, you get the time. There doesn't seem to be a sense of conveyor belt patient care. There's a very thorough patient care.